Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to read and learn and understand one lesson. The lesson name is The Two Brothers. The Prophet Adam alayhi salam and his wife Hawa alayhi salam had two sons. The elder son was called Habil or Abel. The younger son's name was Qabil or Cain. Habil was a shepherd, Qabil was a farmer. In olden times, people used to offer sacrifices to Allah. They would put the best thing they had in a special place. If Allah were happy with them, then He would send fire from the sky. The fire would burn the offering. Habil and Qabil wanted to offer a sacrifice to Allah. Habil chose a sheep for Allah. Qabil brought his crops. The sheep and the crops were put on a mountain top. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning flashed. It burned the sheep offered by Habil, but it did not touch the crops offered by Qabil. Allah had accepted the sheep offered by Habil. He was happy with Habil, but Allah did not accept the crops offered by Qabil. He was not happy with Qabil. Qabil was very angry. He began to fight with Habil. He shouted, "This is your fault. I'll kill you." Habil loved Allah very much. He always had fear of Allah in his heart. Habil said to Qabil, "You are not afraid of Allah. How can Allah accept your sacrifice? Fear Allah, and Allah will happy with you." Qabil's face darkened with anger, and his heart became hardened. "No," he cried, "I'll kill you." At this threat from his elder brother, Habil did not shout back. He just said calmly, "Even if you raise your hand to kill me, I'll not fight back. For I fear Allah, the Lord of the worlds." Qabil was jealous of his brother. He did not listen to him. He began to fight with him and kill him. Then Qabil became ashamed. He started to cry. He called out to Allah for help. Allah sent a black raven. The raven scratched the ground and showed Qabil how to bury his brother. Allah is happy with people who fear Him. Allah does not like it when we fight and harm others. The moral of this story is that two believers should never fight with each other, even if one of them is bent on fighting. The other one, like the gentle and obedient Habil, should never fight back. Thank you very much.